Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Electra. In this video, we'll learn how to use the up counter (CTU) in TIA Portal V18 for tracking pulses and counting events. First, open TIA Portal V18, create a new project, and add an S7-1200 PLC. In main op 1, drag and drop the CTU up counter block into the ladder diagram. The CU input will count pulses, the PV preset value sets the limit, and the Q output activates when the counter reaches this value. Add a normally open, no, push button to trigger counting, set the PV to 10, and link an output coil to the Q output. Add a normally closed, NC, reset button to reset the count when needed. Download the program to the PLC or run the simulation mode. Click the trigger button multiple times, and watch the CV, current value, increase. When it reaches 10, the output activates. Pressing the reset button resets the count. This logic is widely used in industrial automation for applications like counting bottles on a conveyor belt or tracking machine cycles. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Easy Electra, and hit the bell icon for more automation tutorials. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll explore more PLC logic and real-world applications.